Discover the high
summit
in Misamis Oriental.
This is
Mount
Balatukan.
Towering at 2,238 meters above sea level, Mount Balatukan is the silent guardian of Misamis Oriental, untouched, sacred, and wild.
It's not just a mountain, it's a living memory. A sacred ground to the Higaonon people where every step begins with a ritual of respect and connection.
Here lies the only oolong tea plantation and processing plant in the Philippines in Barangay Calagonoy, a sustainable livelihood for the Higaonon community and a symbol of harmony between land and life.
the trails are steep, the air thins, but the deeper you go,
the louder the silence speaks.
Moss-covered trees, whispers in the wind, a forest that feels like time forgot it.
This is no ordinary climb. It's a passage into the heart of Misamis Oriental's wild soul.
challenge your limits,
respect the sacred,
Leave only footprints.
Carry only stories.
It is not just about reaching the summit.
It's about what the climb teaches you.
the silence, the struggle, and the sacred ground.
And the story you carry back down.
One, two, three, and
Welcome to Mount Balatukan!
Hey! Siargao! Siargao! Hey!